Hey you guys, this is me getting ready to make pattern 8738 Simplicity, and I want the sleeves on pattern on view D, and I want the hemline to be like pattern A. So let me show you how I get started with that. So I am going from my stash of materials that I have. So I'm going to look at how much material is basically needed for view A. So I'm going to find A. This is a mini dress. Oh, yeah. And you need 2 1/4 material. I have that. And it's my material 60 inches wide. So I look good with that. Now D, how much is needed for D? And 3/8. I'm going to think about that because I don't know if I'm going to have enough material for that. But we shall see when I get downstairs and actually look at the material, do some laying out of the material, and see how I'm going to have to proceed on, if I'm going to be able to do that view. So what I do is, I know I want view D, so primarily going, the tunic parka of all these is the same. The neckline is different. See? Oh, I'm sorry, right there. See, this is more like a cow neck on view A. So I'm going to pick out the pattern pieces for view D. And the way I do that is I'm going to just mark, I could circle them with pieces I need. Or what I did, I just took notes down on what pattern pieces I needed on my app, notes app on my phone. So I know for view D I need piece 1, that's the D's over there. Piece 2, that's a D. 3 I don't need. 4, yes, I need it because it's D on that. 5 I need because D's on that. 6, nope, because that's for view 6. C, I mean. 7, yes, I do need that because that's for D. And 8 for view D. And 9 for view D. Now you can either highlight these pieces so you know which ones you need to cut out. Okay. Now, some general instructions that you always need to find out. Sewing directions. Sew garment following sewing directions. So you go by your guide sheet. Pin or machine-based seams matching notches. Okay. And you want to stitch at 5/8. That's what I'm really looking for. 5/8 of an inch seams unless otherwise stated. I'm going to go on through the pattern and see if there are any parts that need to be a different seam allowance, because sometimes they just throw it in at the last minute and you're on 5/8 inch and you're really supposed to be another inch. So press seams opening unless otherwise indicated, clipping when necessary. So seams will lie flat. Trim seam to reduce bulk as shown below. So this is trimming the bulk out. You trim part 1 shortest, 2 a little bit not as short, and 3 not as short as 2. Okay, and this is how you do a collar. We don't have any of those things today, I don't think. Not even around the neckline. This would not be necessary. But I do think we're going to have to reduce bulk. But we'll see. Okay. It's showing, what else is showing? Adjusting if I need to lengthen it or shorten, you would cut it in the middle. I have a video on that. I'll put a link to that. And how to lengthen sleeves. And if you need to shorten, where you would lengthen it, you would fold it up. Okay, not cut it and fold it. You would just fold the pattern up. Okay, next thing I want to look at is I want to find out how to lay this out on my material. So what I'm going to do, go to the cutting layouts, and what I'm going to do, see, this is for view A, mini dress. I'm going to find view D. Okay, here it is, view D. And my material is 60 inches long, but it's for extra small, small, medium, and large. Okay, and this is the way you want to lay it out for those sizes. And say this pattern actually goes to XX large. So let's find where that's at. That's the extra large view. Find how you lay your pattern out on your material. Let's see, we're going to flip it. And it actually tells you, I've been through this pattern before, it actually says, cutting layout, continue on page 2. So you know you need to go to page 2. Actually, this is page 3 I'm on right now. Go back to page 2. In the very top, you'll see for XX large, 60 inches wide, and that is your layout. Now this is really, I'm just going for those that don't sew a lot, and because this pattern is pretty simple, and a new sewer can really put this together. So for knits, it tells you the best techniques for sewing with. Definitely use a ballpoint or stretch needle. And the needles are labeled on the packaging, which one's a ballpoint and what are they specialized for. And as long as it says it's good for stretch material, you're good to go. You need stretch needs to be supple enough to give with the fabric. Okay, so this is a test right up here on the back of your pattern. This is how you could test to see if your material have enough. So you lay your material, stopping it right here, and you should be able to pull that in once you have this secure down all the way over here. And that, you know, you have enough stretching material for this particular pattern. Okay. See what else. We want to go to view D. So this is A, B, and E. Find D. Like I said, I'm working in my bedroom right now, trying to just relaxing and cutting out things, so I don't have to be in my sewing room the whole time. It's not as comfortable. I'll put it that way. Okay, find view D. Okay, tip. To prevent stretching along neck, edge, and shoulder seams, apply clear elastic hem tape along seam lines. Okay, you can use the plastic seam allowance, seam tape, or you could just use the good stretchy seam tape. It's good, all good. So it tells you put 1 and 2 together. Then put your neckline on there. And then after you put that on there, you're going to baste that. Because the way you put that, it's going to be kind of sticking up. It can have a tendency to roll up. So the way you tack that down is to stitch it right here around the edge down. So that's how you get 3 lines of stitching right here. That's why you're seeing 3 lines of stitching. Now, okay, that's what it's telling about Stacy. So it's gonna stop there for view D, and we're gonna go on to, it says view C, so we want to skip that because we're not doing view C. Let's find out where view D takes back up at. Okay, view D, it starts right with right sides together. It shows you installing the sleeve with the flap method. This lets you know you must mark your dots on the tunic top and on your sleeve pattern, making sure you have your double notches on the back of the garment together and you single notch on the front of the garment. Okay. Then with right sides together, you basically, now this is what we're going to change, because this is going to go all the way down instead of just stopping there and having 2 lengths to drop low, high. We're going to have it all the same length. So you want to sew it pretty much to the where you feel comfortable. So you just put the dots there, and you will see where to stop, where you want to stop, and how big of a slit you want for the opening of your tunic. Okay, you want to sew all the way up the sides, matching the dots. Once again, make sure you get your dots marked on the sleeve with the 5/8 of an inch and the 5/8 of an inch of, so they all come together evenly. Okay, so you sew all the way up, and you should hit that dot. Then you know to go over and sew the rest of your sleeve. Then you would take your flounce for the bottom of your sleeve, and you're gonna get ready to put your flounce on. I'm trying to find out where it tells you to put. It's number 14, so you know this step is number 14. See, so I'm gonna find step number 14. With right sides together, stitch on the arm, sleeve, flounce. Matching notches. Once again, you got these notches. Make sure you get your notches in your cutting out, and make sure everything's marked. Okay. Then number 15, it tells you how to stitch seams together. The right side together lines. Trim close to second stitching. Press and seam towards sleeve. Okay, so you're gonna press it. You're gonna press it up, and then stitch that. Okay, and then you can reduce some bulk there once you get that sewn in. And I don't see where it tells you to hem it, but you must hem your bottom of your sleeve. I'm sure it's in here somewhere, but I just don't see it. Then it shows you how to install number 16. You match it to that, and then you turn it out. Okay, so you sew it, your tab to right here. So there's gonna be, I don't see any dots, so you might just have to know that you need to stop there, leave an opening, and do around there. Clip your edge, your corners, and that reduces bulk. Usually right here, I backstitch because I'm kind of heavy-handed, and I can pull that loose. So, and then you flip it out, pull it out, then you close that opening up, and then you attach your sleeves. Okay, so now that I have an idea how this is put together, I will know where my darts and not darts, but my circles and my notches must be, so I can make this pattern, putting it together, very simple. Okay. I hope this helps with those who are learning how to read a pattern. But I think I need to go back over one more thing before I let you go. I did touch on it a little bit, but once you start sewing your garment and figuring out how to construct it, you would definitely go to the view you're wanting. So we're looking for the view D. Where is it? Okay, D. You want to coordinate 1 with 1, 2 with 2, 3, 2, okay, 1 with 1, so that's basically the shoulder seams, okay? It'll tell you here. 2 is actually here, and you're going to put 2 onto this, on the collar, on this neck opening. So 2, I'll tell you that. 3 is pinning it on there around your sleeve, around your neck opening, right? And then 4 is do the unstitching and all that. So just coordinate your numbers and with the directions, and you're good to go. Like I said, this is a beginner easy pattern, and you just have to make sure you read it first, and then you know what you're doing. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe and comment below if you want to see something different. And once I get finished with this, I think I am going to do a tutorial of me making this for you guys, step by step, and so look out for that video. Thanks.